If you're seeing a Beehiiv Unauthorized error, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest ways to fix it step by step so you can get back into your account and keep working without delays. This is a simple troubleshooting guide for anyone who gets blocked by a login issue, access problem, or session error inside Beehiiv. If this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes and step-by-step guides. Now, let's get into it. First, log into your Beehiiv account and refresh the page. Sometimes the error is temporary, and a simple refresh is all it takes to reconnect your session and load the dashboard properly. If the problem is still there, log out of Beehiiv completely. Then, log back in using the correct account. This is important because the unauthorized message can appear when you're signed into the wrong Google account or email address. Next, verify that your email address is confirmed. Beehiiv may restrict access if your email hasn't been verified yet, so check your inbox and confirm your account if needed. After that, make sure you actually have access to the publication or workspace you're trying to open. If you were added to a team or publication, your permissions may not be active yet, or you may have been removed accidentally. Another common cause is an expired session. If you've been logged in for a while, your session may have timed out in the background. Logging out and back in usually helps. But if not, move on to the browser fixes. Clear your browser cache and cookies, then reopen Beehiiv. Old stored data can cause login conflicts or block the site from recognizing your current session correctly. If that still doesn't work, open Beehiiv in an Incognito window. This is a great test because it disables most stored browser data and can help you see whether the issue is being caused by cookies, cache, or extensions. While you're testing, disable browser extensions as well, especially ad blockers, privacy tools, or script blockers that may interfere with Beehiiv's login system. If you use a VPN, turn it off temporarily and try again. Some platforms flag VPN traffic and may restrict access or trigger unauthorized errors for security reasons. After that, try a different browser entirely. For example, if you're using Chrome, try Safari, Firefox, or Edge. A browser switch can quickly show whether the issue is local to one browser or tied to your Beehiiv account. Once you've gone through these steps, most unauthorized errors should be resolved. The key is to move from the simplest fixes, like refreshing and relogging in, to the deeper ones, like clearing cookies, disabling extensions, and checking account access. If this guide helped you fix the issue, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.